grounded.
K. Get to the point, old man.
I'm not an old man, I'm only 30 years old. I still have some sense of youth left.
Well, you are 26 years older than me. That sounds super old to me.
Okay, I'll shut up and get to the point. Welcome to Boris Airlines. Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to the Pampers headquarters and purchase some nappies.
I'm sorry, we do not offer direct flights there. Try a different location.
Boris, how dare you refuse service? This isn't Elias D. Boris for Hire episode 500. You are grounded and fired.
I was only doing what I was told and trying to do a good job at it. Come on. I will never quit. I will work here forever.
What part of being fired do you not understand? I, Red Hoodie Guy, am your boss.
Guess I'm not going to get to go to the magical nappy wonderland and have to go somewhere else.
Time to work at a call center for an Egyptian company in Malaristan. They manage motorcycles, nappies, troublemakers, and VHS openings.
Take me to Little Caesars. Take me to Little Caesars. Take me to Little Caesars. Take me to Little Caesars.
Stop making my life miserable and just go to school like a good little boy. What are you going to do? Flunk preschool for the 50th time.
2 + 2 is vegetable.
Okay, I don't care. Get away from me before I ground you to an icy exoplanet.
Okay, well, maybe we can talk this out.
Oh my, activist Victor, it's Boris here. I am your biggest fan. I've watched all of your reaction videos. Here's my son's VHS tape. You clearly need it more than him.
Mommy, I went air surfing on a VHS and it was so fun.
I don't care one bit. Now get out of my face before I have a breakdown.
I'm going to go cry in my pillow and turn on the MRI sound effect at 1600% volume.